Alrighty guys, I just wanted to do a quick recap on our first week of the third 6 weeks. This week is week 1, December 7th through 11th. Your homework this week was super simple. It was literally just to take this survey for me. It's basically telling me how you feel about virtual learning, things that I do that you like, and things that your other teachers might do. It is 3 pages, so please make sure that you put your first and last name, your correct class period, and you go through all 3 pages, and that is an easy 100, okay? On Monday and Tuesday, depending if you're A Day or B Day, we just kind of reviewed main idea in details with Pear Deck. However, I don't have any of that uploaded on the hub for you. So what you are going to do is you are going to click the lottery winners assignment, and you are actually just going to click this article, read the article that is underlined right here, and then answer questions. You are allowed 2 attempts on the questions, and there are 5 questions, okay? And then you have a simple exit ticket about what would you do if you won the lottery. So go ahead and do those 2 things for Monday and Tuesday. Finally, for Wednesday and Thursday, we also did our do now in a Pear Deck, and we are going to review thesis statements by watching a video and then playing Kahoot. So what I need you to do, if you are watching this and you weren't able to get to the live class, is watch this thesis review video and then go ahead and play this Kahoot. This Kahoot is the same Kahoot that we play in the live class, and I only want kids that are not in the live class to go ahead and play this Kahoot. All right, you are choosing the best thesis for each topic. Okay, so a topic will show up and then you choose the best thesis. Remember that you have to choose a side, and hint, the answer always has the most words from the prompt, okay? So whichever answer uses the most words from the prompt is the right answer. All right, so Wednesday and Thursday, we do have a bit of a longer assignment, but you don't have homework this week, so that's kind of where we made it up. What you are going to do is read and break down the prompt that is in the graphic organizer assignment right here. I have a video on the graphic organizer assignment. If you click, it's right here. Here. So if you click there, it will take you to a YouTube video that will tell you basically how to break down and go through this assignment. Okay. When you are done, I do want to say that I'm only grading page 2, which is the graphic organizer. And yeah, the sentence order, page 3, will help you on the other assignment. So there are 2, I'm taking 2 grades from today. One from the graphic organizer, and this is due on Thursday or on Friday if you're a B Day. And then the essay is going to be due on Friday if you are an A Day, and Sunday if you are a B Day child. So you're going to use the graphic organizer and then write the essay. Okay, so in order to receive full credit for the assignment, you must write a strong thesis statement. That is basically what I'm going to be looking at. Is your thesis statement good? Do you need help writing a thesis statement? How can I help you to make sure that your thesis statement is good and strong so you make a good grade on the STAR test? And then I need you to continue writing and write at least 4 paragraphs. However, those 4 paragraphs are a completion grade, and I just need you to try. All right? If you try and you show effort in those 4 paragraphs, perfect, awesome, you're going to get a good grade. Okay? So again, I will only be critically grading the thesis as long as you write an entire essay. I will not count points off for anything else. The sentence structure on page 3 of the graphic organizer will help you write the paragraphs. All right? And then lastly, you will just fill out this exit ticket. The exit ticket talks about your thesis statement and how you felt you did. So guys, if you have, the deadline is also going to be tomorrow. Sorry, I haven't put that in. So guys, if you have any questions, just let me know. But that is week 1, December 7th through 11th.